Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For today's video, I'm going to be memory planning for the week of February 1st. This is a kit by Graceful, Muse, Paperie, so if you would like to see how I've already planned out my week with what I anticipate that is going to be happening, and then I'll have that video linked down below as well, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can, go and watch that after this video. But this is going to be where I just go in day by day and fill in all the blank spots in my planner with things that happened or things that I did, so I can kind of memory keep in my planner. So let's get started with Monday. So first up, I'm going to take this really cute sheet from the Giving Girl that has these clear clipboards and the little dangly kind of star pieces. And that is actually a sheet that is meant for the Hobo Weeks. It's like a deco sheet for Hobo Weeks, but I received it in a Oops grab bag from the Giving Girl, and I think it's so cute to use just to kind of use, as decoration. Or you can even use the little clipboards and kind of layer it with half boxes, and that looks really cute too. So I kind of don't do that all the time because I kind of forget about it, but it is really cute. And then I'm just going to take a couple of little pieces of deco, and then one of her recent $2 Tuesdays with these really cute hearts, and just kind of make that look a little bit prettier and less, awkward white space. Then I'm going to take a, is this a quarter box? Or is it smaller? I don't know. I'm going to take a box from the kit and then one of these cat butt icons from an older $1 Wednesday from Strawberry Creek Studio, because I always use those to mark when I deep clean my cat's litter box, which I'll just do once a month. I'll just dump everything out and, like deep clean it. So Monday, the February 1st was litter box day, and I wanted to add a little bow just to make the cat a little cuter. I wanted to give it a little bow, on its head, but then I just thought that looked kind of weird. So I just gave him a little like bow tie collar, and it kind of damaged the bow a little bit, like a little fleck of foil came off of the corner, but it's fine. It doesn't really bother me. You can't really tell, but it does kind of look like a little black dot. If you notice that's what that is, then that's what that is. Then I'm going to take this pretty like rosy floral or whatever page flag in the kit, and then I have another older $1 Wednesday from Strawberry Creek Studio. Sorry, I'm trying to stifle my yawns again. And just like it's like a mixed icon sheet or whatever. Just gonna take the little telephone one to mark that I had to call Dyson because I have a cordless vacuum from Dyson, and the battery is no good anymore, and it still is under its 2-year warranty. So I called them, and thankfully they replaced it without any hassle, and it shipped super quick too. They told me it would take like 10 to 15 business days. But I got it in like 4 days, so it was really quick. And for my gratitude for Monday, I wrote in bulk, which is a pagan Sabbath that is celebrated on the 1st of February until like sundown of the 2nd of February. On Tuesday, I'm going to start with this pretty little flourish from Honey Inked, just to fill in that little awkward white space there. Just add a little embellishment, a little planner jewelry. And then I'm going to take a TV doodle from Monster Designs, and then a like pretty silver page flag from Sadie Stickers, and layer that with a mini mandala from Honey Inked. Just to mark that my husband and I have been watching the Winx saga on Netflix, and y'all have told me it's based off of loosely based off of an animated TV show of the same name or whatever. But this one is with live action with actors and stuff. We really like it because it's like a Harry Potter but with fairies. So it's pretty cool how it's like, you're like going to this school in London or wherever it is, and like learning how to use your powers and stuff. Anyways, so that was for watching that. Then I took a little Nikki squiggle from Rose Colored Days to just kind of add a little divider underneath the P.O. box thing. And then I used the Giving Girls hearts inside of the TV because I thought that looked really cute. And then I'm just adding a couple more of these little starry embellishments. I'm trying to remember to kind of put those in kind of loosely every day, so it just kind of adds a little sparkle and shine. So and besides for checking off the bill that I paid on Tuesday, that's pretty much it for Tuesday. For my gratitude Tuesday, I wrote kitty cuddles because my cat, he's my little shadow, and he loves to be around me all the time. But in particular, it's cute because he likes to at night sleep like above my head or like on my head, on my pillow. And when I woke up, he was like still there, which is surprising. Usually he'll like kind of leave throughout the night, but when I woke up on Tuesday, he was like still there, sleeping on my head. So it was cute. Then moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to start with some more of the cute little star embellishments. And then for the bottom of Wednesday, I'm going to use a half box and a little like Nike workout shoe icon from Crafts by Thaowie, just to mark that I did my workout. I typically work out like 6 to 7 days out of the week, which sounds wild to me just saying that, because like I went from, no exercise to like exercising like 2 to 3 days a week, and then now I'm exercising like 6 to 7 days. It's like such a huge accomplishment. But anyway, it was just like it sounded weird to me, like, oh, I'm somebody who works out every day. When did that happen? Anyways, but yeah, I didn't really have much else to mark on Wednesday. So when I don't really have too much to like fill in, there's nothing like, that it's exciting happened or anything like that or whatever. I'll just kind of put mundane things like go for a walk or work out, even though it's something I do every day. I'll just add that in there if I have nothing better to add. So I also layered it with this really pretty lace trim from Sadie Stickers and these adorable little bowstring lights from the Giving Girls. They are it's just, what did I say? The Giving Girls? The Giving Girl. They are so cute. I love them so much. They were from a $2 Tuesday. And she did like heart versions and bow versions, and they're just teeny tiny bows are so cute. I can't. Anyways. Then I just added a little flourish from Honey Inked to separate that, and I wrote therapy for Wednesday's gratitude, since we had a therapy session for my son on Wednesday and it went well. Moving on to Thursday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then I have this little floral, viney, planty, whatever kind of deco from Honey Inked, and I had to flip the box over because I forgot that the nail polish was on the right hand side, and I like to stagger my icons kind of right and left. So I didn't want to, put the shopping bag right next to the same side as the nail polish. So I flipped it over, and then I used a little shopping bag from Destash With Me and then some more of those hearts from the Giving Girl, because we had to go to PetSmart to get a new tank for my son's lizard, or bearded dragon technically. And then just to add a little bit more to that box, I'm going to add one of these kind of flourish things from Destash With Me. And yeah, so we have had the bearded dragon for a few years now, and she's definitely an adult, and she's definitely outgrown her tank. We just never, have went and bought her another like a larger vivarium until Thursday. So we went out and got her a nice big new tank and some new little like rock enclosure decoration things. I don't know, whatever, just some new things for her. And then I'm going to take this little pretty bow scalloped corner from Sadie Stickers, and then just write in that the Fab Fit Fun add-on sale started on Thursday. I don't always shop the extra sales, but there are some things I wanted to get, so I just wrote that in. And I always mix up the edit sale and the add-on sale, so I wrote edit at first and then had to white that out. And for my gratitude on Thursday, I wrote new tank, since, it's a nice big new tank, and I love how it's like a front, it opens from the front instead of open on the top where we gotta like take the lights off and stuff. So really enjoy the new tank. For Friday, I didn't really have much room to put anything, so I just wanted to put that we got some pizza for dinner, and I used one of these little bow clear page flags from the Giving Girl and a pizza icon from Honey Inked with a little side bow from Sadie Stickers, and just wrote Blaze because we love Blaze pizza. It's so good. Yeah, just felt like getting some pizza for Friday. And that was my gratitude for Friday was pizza. For Saturday, I just checked off my checklist and wrote in the movie that we watched for our movie night, which is called Epic. It was a pretty good movie. It's actually older. I didn't know it was from 2013, but we've never seen it before. And it kind of gives me like Ferngully vibes, but instead of pollution, it's like rot. Is the like kind of enemy, So if you've seen Ferngully, that was like a childhood favorite of mine. Definitely recommend watching Epic. It was on Netflix, I think, so we really enjoyed that movie. It was a surprise. We just kind of saw it as in passing, and we were like, oh, that looks interesting, and like it really turned out to be a great movie. So I wrote movie night for Saturday because again, we just really enjoyed the movie and our movie night. Sunday was Super Bowl, so I didn't do a ton on Sunday. I had to go and pick up our groceries, however, since I needed a few things for like our, whole like football spread. So I'm taking a divider from Destash With Me and then a little hexagon from the kit and a little shopping cart heart icon from the Giving Girl to mark that we had our grocery order pickup at 11 o'clock. And then I'm just checking off my checklist and putting in a little flourish from Honey Inked just to add, you know, just to kind of take up some white space and the little awkward parts of the white space there that just kind of, I can't really fit anything in. Then speaking of that weird white space kind of area, I thought that the Thursday painted nails area needed a little kind of sprucing up. Maybe I probably should have put like a thicker divider there instead of that little skinny one, but it looked okay once I added those dangly things from the Give and Girl. My Sunday's gratitude was mochi cake, because mochi cake was something, I made a pineapple upside down mochi cake for Super Bowl, and I got the box mix from Trader Joe's. And let me tell you, it was so good, y'all. Literally, we had 2 pieces left out of the entire cake. Because it was so freaking good, y'all. I had the mochi cake before, like just kind of plain, and it's really good on its own too, but I knew, like, I don't know, maybe it was like that kind of chewy texture that I thought this would be really good as an pineapple upside down cake. And so I didn't even like, I don't know, I didn't give it any second thought. I just was like, okay, we're gonna just put the pineapple upside down cake recipe on the bottom of the pan and then add the mochi cake, you know, mix on top with the, you know, butter and eggs and stuff, and just try it. And I was hoping it wouldn't come out too soggy or anything, you know, from the like pineapple upside down cake filling, like if it would, like, I don't know, moisten the mochi cake a little too much. I was a little worried, but it ended up just being the best dessert, like so good. Anyways, so and then I'm gonna add a few extra little, you know, those little sprinkles of stars and such that I kind of forgot to do for the rest of the week, and just to add that throughout the rest of the spread, so the second half of the spread there, to make it look pretty and sparkly. And then that is going to be everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate it if you do, because it does help out my video, it helps out my channel, so I thank you so much for your support. Definitely be sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I upload about 2 to 3 videos a week. This week it was 3. And yeah, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss more of my videos. Leave me a comment if you have a question about where I got anything. All the shops are linked in the description, but you can always ask me and I'll be happy to answer your question, or just say hi and I'll say hi back, because I love responding to you all, and I thank you for taking the time to watch and leave me a comment. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your week, your day, your February, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!